Hey guys, what's up and welcome to Onourshelf. Today I have something very cool. I have Star Wars The Black Series number 5, Luke Skywalker Force FX Lightsaber. Now, are you ready to become a Jedi Master? Let's get it out the box. And if you're wondering how long the box is 45 inches long. Let's grab the knife and get started. Alright, that is a very realistic looking lightsaber, and you have the instructions and the display stand for support. Let's take it out the plastic and get a closer look at it. It looks really nice. I like the curved design. Alright, and that is everything inside the box. Thank you, Ray. Now, to get this thing glowing and lighting up, you need to make sure the lightsaber is off and unscrew the pommel counterclockwise to expose the battery pack. You need to use a Phillips screwdriver, which is not included, to loosen the battery pack sleeve, and then that's when you insert the 3 AA batteries into the battery pack. Batteries are not included also. Now, this is a very realistic lightsaber. I just wanted to give you some close-up shots. The handle feels really solid. It's metal all around. Alright, so I think we're ready to become a Jedi Master. Don't you just love how realistic the sounds are? And I definitely have more fun with this lightsaber at nighttime. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. If you're interested in this product, I'll put an Amazon link below in the description box. If you're not subscribed to our channel, click that subscribe button. Comment, like, and share this video. We appreciate your feedback. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching. And may the Force be with you.